NES&TEC has been developing core UAV technologies for over 20 years. Based on navigation sensor technology and control technology, we have developed gimbal control technology for mission execution and possess various platforms. In addition, we own the original technology for tethered power supply for drones. The proposed product, SWID, is a detachable multicopter system equipped with a high-performance EO/IR imaging gimbal system. It provides a control unit specialized for surveillance and reconnaissance. Additionally, it comes with a carrying backpack for one-person transport and offers the ability to mount various additional mission devices